Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ariel again here, and yeah, good day everyone. So as you can see on the title, I am going to take you with me to the salon because alam niyo naman siguro yung sagot kasi naghihikaos na po yung hair ko because of all the actions that I took while on quarantine. So kung ano na lang pinagagawa ko sa buhok ko. At the moment, let me describe to you my hair. So it's very dry, even though like I put conditioner on it. It's like kinky as they describe it, and as you can see, very light na lang talaga siya. Hindi na yun siyang katulad na bagsak yung hair ko. But now it's just flying all over my head. Yeah, this is the result of my bleaching. Binitch ko po to and color it at the same time. I bleached it I guess twice and colored it twice too. So that's why, ta-da! Right now, I need an expert help to rescue my hair, to make it bouncy again and to make it alive because dead na dead. So, yun. Sa lahat ng pinagagawa ko, hindi naman ako nagsisi kasi, you know, I experienced to have a bleached hair. I enjoyed it. So, tama na yun. And now, I wake up sa katotohanan na I need to repair it. By the way, I actually tried to repair it on my own, like buy some hair spas na, you know, like DIY, do it yourself na hair spas, but then still hindi siya na-cure. Like, hindi na siguro kaya talaga ng hair spas lang to. So, you just really need an expert help. So, there. And yeah, I hope that you would enjoy this vlog. Come along with me. Let's go! On my way to the salon. Okay, so sakay-sakay muna tayo. This is the Pink and Gold Salon sa Rojas. And yeah, that's me. Almost done with my hair. And voila! Wow! This is the final result, and look how soft and not frizzy anymore. So happy with the result. So let me show you on how I take care of my hair after the treatment that I got from the salon. So as you can see, may ina-apply akong product, and that's what we call the Nutriplex or Nutri-Complex Multiple Revitalizing Effects. And this product is formulated with vitamin E, panthenol, rosemary, and silk amino acids. So I bought it from the salon because this is actually the cream that they apply it on my hair after the treatment. So it actually helps my hair to be moisture and also to be smoother. So yun. And kung makikita nyo, I am using a hair blower because I'm going to show you like two results. The one with the blower and the one with the air dry lang siya. Tapos yung blower ko dito, cold air lang yung ginamit ko. So hindi yan mainit. And be sure na hindi nyo talaga masyado i-diin sa ulo nyo yung hair blower. Voila! So, ito po yung resulta pag blower po yung gamit. And look how beautiful it is. Yung hair ko po ha. So, by the way, this is the 4th day from the time na nagpa-salon ako. Tapos pala, hindi advisable na always kang mag-hair blower. So again, pinakita ko lang po kung ano yung difference pag hair blower at hair drying. there guys, and yeah, this is the final result, but actually I'm filming this on the 6th day, and the ones that you've seen is on the 4th day from the time na I did my hair treatment, because I want to show you what it looks like if it's like blower yung ginamit pag dry yung hair, and this is the result of air dry lang, like hindi ako gumamit ng blower, and it's just the same, still straight, and it still feels smooth, and it's healthy, and for short it looks way better compared to the first video that you've seen. In this part also, I will tell you like the process of what they did to my hair, since I haven't got the chance to film it in the salon. It's not that like nahiya ako or something, but yung place kasi na inupuan ko is like against the light, so it would be very like not beautiful to see, like kung ilalagay ko yung camera in front of me, so it's like silhouette ang kinalabasan. So yun, kaya hindi ako nakapag-film inside the salon. But no worries, let me just try my very best to describe what they did to my hair. This is not a rebond, okay? Because I thought that I will be having a rebond, kasi thinking ko na pag pinariband ko yung hair ko, yung damaged hair ko, it will look like this, and it will not cause any damage. But I was wrong. Thankfully, my hairstylist explained to me why should I not take the hair rebond, and why should I take, or why should I have the hair treatment that they did to me, which is, the name is Bamboo Miracle Hair Treatment, if I did it right. Let me just double check that one. And it's called Triplex Bamboo Miracle Hair Treatment, guys. So if ever you've been wondering, yeah, the name of it, so yun yung pangalan ng hair treatment na yun. And the result is almost like the same as rebond, but again, it's not a rebond, and it's like a hair treatment especially for me kasi nga damaged yung hair ko. It was like bleach, like I told you, it was bleached twice. It's the hair treatment that cure or that restore my hair to being like this. So I'm very happy. The things that they did to my hair is, first they shampoo it, so like shampoo, then after ng shampoo is, yeah, they dry it. They apply right away the Triplex solution. It's called Triplex, and after that one, they let it sit for like 25 to 30 minutes. So yun, after they blow dry my hair, they put na the conditioner, and like after conditioning, so ano naman ulit, like banlaw, and then pat dry, and then after that one, this one, they put this NPPE Hair Care Nutri Complex. So this is what it looks like, and then I've shown you this one already on the first part of the video. So I bought this one because they actually told me na this helps my hair like smoother, and also like hindi siya like before mo before mo i-brush yung hair mo, hindi siya magtatanggal-tanggal. So it helps. I mean, this solution helps that one. Yeah, I can actually feel na this really helps my hair. Like I've been using this after the treatment. So yeah, that's why I bought this. I am not selling this one. So yeah, I just want to share it with you guys. Okay? I'm not connected to anything. So by the way, there. And then after they put that one, they plancha na yung buhok ko. Ano yun? Tapos plancha yung hair ko, then voila, it's like this now after. So the process itself only takes like 2 hours or less, if I can remember. Super dali lang niya. All I can say is very good. Ang galing ng hairstylist ko doon sa salon na yon. And by the way, yeah, again, the salon is Pink and Gold, and you can visit their website if you want to see more products that they have, or more informations about their services. Actually, you can go ahead and like link it down below right here. And they have like branches in, if you're from Davao City, they have branches in Rojas and in Lanang. I had a very like good experience right there. Very professional staffs, and they have a very good service. If you are like me, na dumaan sa like bleach yung hair mo, and you don't know what to do since like na dry na, hindi na madala ng mga hair spas na nabibili lang sa drugstores or sa malls, then go ahead and ask for help from an expert. Don't be shy. Go ahead and tell them the state of your hair. Don't lie to your hairstylist if na-bleach ba or hindi, because that would actually also make a difference. Like, they would know if what treatment based on what you did to your hair. So there, I learned a lot from from the time that I went to that salon, because, you know, chica overload, and my hairstylist also share a lot of information. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy to know those things, like, you know, shampooing your hair only for like every other day. That could help like yung natural oil sa hair na mag-flow and to make your hair like not super dry. So there, I hope that you enjoy the video. I mean, if you are again wanted to change something onto your hair, why not? Go ahead. It was the best decision that I've ever made for this year, and I'm very happy about it. So that's all. Bye bye.